Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome along to a new video. I'm going to be doing a bunch of these MIDI videos until I start the new track from scratch series, which is going to be in the style of old school Skrillex. It's going to be good. I don't know, that's in the future anyway, but today's video is going to be a brand new bass audio effect chain. Is it a chain or is it a rack? I was going to be like, yo, it's an audio effect chain. No, it's an audio effect rack. This is two chains. Oh my god, no. So I have made an audio bass effect rack and it's literally just to fan up the bass lines. Look at the amount of effects on there, look at the macros, notice how they're all cracked up. Anyway, so we've got this DMB Reese bass here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the heavy bass rack so we get a before and after, and this is what it does. What am I doing? I can just MIDI keyboard it. Heavy. So apart from being 3 times louder, it is download our free heavy bass rack. It will make your shit 3 times louder. No, you just do that with a limiter. Anyway, we've applied a heap of dirt OTT, classic, grit, drive, vocoder part 2, verb, short for reverb, and delay. Now, why would you put reverb on your bass? Cause look at that sounds way cool. Should I just go through what each of these do? Yeah, that might be a good idea. Dirt adds a little bit of saturator. OTT adds, obviously, a lot of OTT. Grit adds, I think, a bit of overdrive and more saturation. Drive is the glue compressor, and it is cranking up the gain, I think. Hence the loudness. Vocoder adds in a vocoder. See the dry wet amount? And vocoder part 2 adjusts the formants in the vocoder so you can get like a sweeping growly thing. I mean, if you automate that, you can make them sick basses with that. Verb, obviously reverb, but it is closer to the start of the chain and doesn't have any bass in the reverb, so it's strictly like, if you got a lot of high-end content, it's perfect for this. And delay is grain delay, which sounds bonkers. So yeah, maybe just use that in little amounts. Unless you want to crank it up to 100%, whatever. Another application of the heavy bass rack is on this serum right here. So yeah, this patch from our Bass House Pack Medallion. Pretty heavy as is. We'll go ahead and turn on the heavy bass rack, and I'll turn this off because I'll explain that in 2 seconds. And notice we've got the vocoder mapped to an LFO tool, so it's like sweeping and doing automating and doing some like modulation for us. That's freaking filthy. And some of you may have noticed when you turn on the vocoder or turn up the vocoder, the bass gets a little bit mangled. But don't worry, I've thought of that as well. So in this last instance of Serum, I've loaded up the heavy bass rack sub edition, so it creates a separate chain of sub bass. I will show you under the hood for a second. So with the vocoder on this one, you turn on the vocoder, sweeps up the high pass filter, I guess, and then activates this chain. So look at that, yeah boy. And basically by upping this chain, introduce like a cleaner sub, so you've got a separate sub from the vocoded sound, which I think is a pretty cool idea if I do say so myself. And then some glue compression punch to add a little bit more punch to the sub. So yeah, let's hear what that sounds like. Oh, that's filth. Turn on the vocoder. We've got a vocoder sound, but we've also got a cleaner sub. Maybe a bit too much sub. And then we can adjust the vocoder part 2 how we like it and get that extra growl. Actually, that is so much bass, I might have to edit that a little bit. Where's this? Maybe to -3. So yeah, that in a nutshell is the heavy bass rack. And yeah, there's 2 of them. So the sub edition and the normal edition. And yeah, hit them up, free download in the description. Have some fun, chuck them on all your basses. I still can't get over this one. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next episode. Have a great day, have fun with this rack, leave a like on the video, and I'll see you next time. Peace.